In this video, I will show with you how to log in Millennium Bank of Poland. So all you have to do, go to Google, search for this keyword, Millennium Bank Poland, and then click login. You will see this page. Go directly this one, and then you will see this page. This is a login page, as you can see here. Write your ID. For example, this is your ID, and then click next. After that, you will redirected to another page to make your password. So friends, this is for ID, and then just wait to see another page. From here, this is how you can do. Click login, you will see this page. If you want to log in with your app, just wait. As you can see here, just wait from here. Write your pass from here. Write your password, and then click this login page. If you can use app also, Millennium Bank app, as you can see here, this is for app. You can download this app on Google Play, and then you can use the official website to download this app, and then complete your process login from here. Thanks for watching this video. See you on another video.